Hello Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga messages ni Aries. Una mensahe po ninyo ay happiness. Napakaganda naman nito. Aries, sabi dito, I am aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. So this is really a beautiful message para sa inyo. Ibig sabihin nito, no, na nasa tamang daan kayo. No, you are heading towards the right direction. Dito kung saan man kayo patungo. That could be a direction wherein you will be happy talaga, you will be joyful, you will be contented, maybe fulfilled din, ano, kaya magiging masayang-masaya kayo, Aries. Kung ano man to, no, this could be a new endeavor, or maybe, ano to, ito yung daan na tinatahak ninyo talaga patungo sa kung ano man yung inyong mga pangarap siguro, no? So siguro ngayon, nandun kayo sa stage wherein excited kayo na marating kung ano man yung gusto ninyong marating. So what else? We have honesty. Sabi dito sa card, I can't always expect the truth from others, but I can expect it from myself. This is really beautiful then, diba? Na you are going to be very transparent. You're going to be very transparent about how you feel, about what you perceive, about kung ano yung mga gusto ninyo, kung anong gusto ninyong i-express, no? This is authenticity, no? This is you being authentic to yourself. This is you being honest with yourself. So, napakaganda. Kasi, at least, diba, yung honesty din, nagsisimula din talaga yan sa atin. When you are honest with yourself, you will be honest with other people then. And when you are honest then sa ibang tao, yun din ang energy na ma-attract ninyo from other people, hindi ba? So what else, Aries? We have change. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. That's very true. Kaya nga, umaano na kayo ngayon eh. You are taking action. Ano, Aries, you are heading towards something na doon kayo magiging masaya. Maaaring ito yung pangarap ninyo. Kaya magiging joyful kayo, magiging contented kayo, fulfilled kayo. Handa na kayong baguhin ang inyong sitwasyon, or handa na kayong tahakin ang bagong path sa buhay ninyo wherein doon kayo magiging masaya, hindi ba? So what else? Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang mensahe para sa inyo for today. So what else for Aries? We have your angel number is 2323, and there is endless cycles dito, no? For others of you, parang meron talaga kayo ditong babaguhin, ano? Meron tayong change energy. So most likely may mga sitwasyon dito sa buhay ninyo, Aries, that you are really going to make some changes, no? Dahil siguro paulit-ulit na lang to, paikot-ikot na lang to, and maybe you are realizing now na it's about time na naputuli na yung cycle na yan, putuli na kung ano man yung paikot-ikot na lang or paulit-ulit na lang na nangyayari, because you really need to make a decision dito na tapusin na, no, kung ano man yan, para makausad na kayo, makapag-move on na kayo sa buhay. So now is the time for you to cut the cords na between you and whatever it is na paulit-ulit na lang na cycle sa buhay ninyo, no? So what else? We have angel number 666, and it's about time now for you to do some kind of reflection, contemplation, introspection, yung mga ganon, because maybe ito yung kailangan ninyo, no? As you head towards these changes, as you head towards this this energy dito na may kailangan kayong gawin, kailangan ninyo ng lakas ng loob dito para mabago na ang pattern, no, ng buhay ninyo. So you may need to do some kind of reflection so that you can figure out, no, kung paano ninyo gagawin yan, kung paano ninyo ina-navigate ang situation na to, how are you going to make that changes, kumbaga, no? So, what else? We have angel number 2112 and 2112. It's up to you. Yan. So, it's up to you. Sinasabi dito sa mensahe na ito na nasa sa inyo talaga ang desisyon. No? Kayo lang ang tanging makakapag-desisyon yan kung ano ang gagawin ninyo, kung paano ninyo babaguhin ang inyong mga sitwasyon. So, it's extremely important for you, Aries, to follow what your intuition is telling you. It's extremely important na pakinggan ninyo yung gabay na binibigay sa inyo ng Divine Universe at this time dahil divinely guided kayo. Okay? Divinely guided kayo. Meron kayong support from the spirit realm. May mga unforeseen forces dito na nagdadirect sa inyo kung paano ninyo gagawin ang mga pagbabagong ito, kung paano ninyo babaguhin ang inyong sitwasyon, paano ninyo puputulin yung pattern, no? Because it feels like this is already an unhealthy pattern na nangyayari, kaya paulit-ulit na lang, hindi ba? Kaya kailangan na ninyo ng movement, kailangan ninyo na mag-take action para mabago na ang inyong sitwasyon, makapag-move on na kayo. Ano? And everything will work out. No, you have nothing to worry about that dahil divinely guided kayo. So rest assured that everything will work out for you. Everything will be in your favor dito, no? Once na mag-take action na kayo, once na sinimulan na ninyo, kung ano man ang mga pagbabagong yan na kailangan ninyong gawin, everything will work out for you, okay? So, what else for Aries? We have 7 of Pentacles energy. This is a time for reflection din, ano? Kasi sa 7 of Pentacles, parang may hinihintay kayo dito. You're waiting for something dito. So, maybe, kung ano man ang inyong hinihintay ninyo dito, that could be a return of investment. Now, let's say for example, sa trabaho ninyo or career ninyo or negosyo, meron kayong pinagtutuunan ng pansin dito, meron kayo ditong ginagawa para sa kung ano man ang pinag-i-investa ninyo ng oras ninyo, panahon o resources, yung ganon. And maybe you've been waiting for so long na, kumbaga, kaya meron dito sigurong pagkakataon na yung parang nabuburyo na kayo siguro. So, you may need to, to reflect on things. You may need to really step back a little from what you are focusing on right now para makapagmuni-muni kayo, makapag-isip-isip kayo. You can reassess now what is happening around you, yung ganon. So that you can, you can make plans, di ba? You can strategize kung ano na ang mas nararapat na ninyong gawin at this time. We have Page of Cups. Ayan. So, friendship could be the focus ngayon ninyo, no? Maybe isa yan sa mga areas ng buhay ninyo that you are going to focus on right now. Maybe this is the time na magkikita-kita kayo or makikipagkita kayo sa inyong mga kaibigan. Maybe this is the time that you are going to nurture and cultivate your friendship. Kaya, maaaring may mga invitation din dito sa inyo. Aries, maaaring merong mga invitation for social gatherings, maaaring ganon, at maaaring doon kayo magkikita-kita ng inyong mga kaibigan. So, good luck to that. We have the Lover's energy. Yan. So, some of you siguro dito is going to commit with another person dito, no? In love. Maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito, if you are single, no, maaaring makilala mo na dito yung inyong soulmate, yung inyong twin flame, or yung yung posible mong potential mo na maging jowa or potential mong maging boyfriend or girlfriend or asawa, no? For others of you, siguro nasa relationship na kayo ngayon, and maybe may mga pag-uusap na dyan ng pagle-level up ng inyong relationship. So, good luck to that, and that's all I have for you for the week. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.